Going.
Got a son here who's under the influence of something and wouldn't let me take him home. So told him he better go peaceful.
Hey, how's it going? I got my Bodycam on. What's going on today?
Good. We're about to get. Yeah.
You Cody? Does he live at this address?
He's from North Dakota. I'm from Fargo, Ohio.
Okay, and what's he doing over?
Right off the bat, this isn't just a family disturbance. This is a volatile mix of intoxication, control, and escalating tension. Pay close attention to how quickly the situation shifts from concern to confrontation. Who do you think is actually in control here?
Somehow he found something to alter his state of mind.
Okay.
And I was going to try to drive him home, but he wouldn't fasten his seatbelt, and then he wanted to take the key out of the ignition and slam it in park, so there's no way I could safely drive home.
So you guys both drove in this vehicle. You were okay.
I was passenger, he drove when we came.
Okay.
And he was supposed to drive home because he's generally a good driver.
And this is family?
Yes.
Okay. And then you guys were about to leave, and then he just acting like this?
Well, we were going to stay 2 more days.
Okay.
Last night he got into something. That's how he was last night. I thought this morning he would be in better condition.
Hey, Cody.
No, I have nothing to say. I'm all good. I have no. Please don't touch my stuff.
You're good.
Okay. Fifth Amendment. Please do not touch my stuff. Do not look in. God.
That's different. I'm just trying to talk to you. He's not going to get you.
You've already everything up. Why the f did you do this?
Because I gave you a warning. I said, sit in
So
your
he's
seat,
possibly
fasten
just
your seatbelt.
intoxicated.
We're not doing anything.
Did you catch that? Cody immediately invokes the Fifth Amendment. Here's the twist. This right protects you from self-incrimination during questioning, but it doesn't give you the power to block officers from doing their job in a lawful investigation. This is where misunderstanding the law starts to make things worse.
We're not doing
I
anything.
told you they were going to take you down so you can sober up because you.
No,
you
we're
can't-
not.
You can't
No,
be
we're
here.
not.
Yeah,
No, we're
I'm
not.
afraid that's it.
No.
You don't have a choice.
No, we're not doing anything.
Right now, I'm your guardian.
Cody, can you just talk to us for a second?
Yep, 100%.
Turn around.
Can we
Yep.
step over here and talk or something?
Yep, 100%.
Are those your shoes?
Yep, I'm doing this. Yeah, stop. Don't touch. Just
Yeah.
stand. Where did you touch my phone? Because you f***ed this is all up.
Clean up your language, Cody. That's not you.
No, you f***ed that's all up.
Cody, can we talk over here, dude? So, Cody, just talk to me. What's going on?
You f***ing threw my phone or something.
Did you have something to drink last night or something?
Oh, yeah. I did.
Because I could tell you're kind of intoxicated. You feel
Yep.
like you're still under the influence of something.
Yep.
Okay, just alcohol.
I did.
And then that's causing the issue between you and the family here. Is that what the problem is? So you gotta understand, right? His concern is he doesn't want you behind the wheel. And I guess when you guys started driving,
I'm not gonna touch you.
no, you're
I'm
fine.
not-
You're
I'm not-
like
I'm
stepping backwards. So
not- No, I'm not.
go ahead.
Wait.
You can close your door.
No, it's okay. I was security force.
Now we're getting clarity. Alcohol is involved, and the father's concern suddenly makes a lot more sense. But here's the real issue. It's not just about drinking, it's about behavior. At what point does intoxication become a public safety risk?
We're all good, dude.
Okay.
I got crashing because you back in the steering wheel trying to put it in park or whatever. You already did that here. I couldn't even leave. But I had enough. Talk right here. What are you going to tell me? I don't have time for this. I got 0 sleep last night because of you.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
I've been sleeping for 4 days.
Okay, so rub it on everybody. Make everybody else miserable.
No, I didn't call anyone.
You're not yourselves.
I didn't do shit.
Well, my daughter doesn't want you around her kids in this state of mind. That's what you did.
Can I see your gloves? That's your glove. Yeah.
What are you stalling for?
Can I see the other ones?
The other what?
Your other hands. Nope.
There you go.
Nope. The other.
There you go.
Okay. What the?
There you go.
That's my phone.
Yes, it is.
No.
I told you I needed that to find my way home because I don't have GPS on my phone. All I have is flip phone, remember?
Okay. But I need that
To do what?
to stay here.
You're not staying here.
Okay.
Lindsay does not want you here. I don't want you here.
So my partner just went and talked to them. They want you banned from their residence now. So we got to hold up, Cody. Stop. We need to find a solution here.
Yep. Listen.
No, you need to listen. I'm trying to talk to you, but you're not talking. You're not listening.
Go ahead.
We need to find a solution. What is the solution here? Because they don't want you here anymore.
My phone's right
He's
there.
concerned about you, and then you guys were trying to drive, and then you started throwing shit around.
No.
So what's the solution?
Tell me.
What should I do, Cody?
I'm asking you. I'm trying to have a conversation with you. What is the solution in your opinion? Can you sit down in the car and just act normal and not try and grab the gear shifter or do anything while he's driving?
No. I could go sit in the basement.
They don't want you in the house. They don't want you in there.
Give me my phone.
Well, what are you gonna do with it? Lindsay had it already with the GPS in there so I could drive home, and now it's shut off. So,
I'll drive home.
yeah,
This right here is the moment everything could have de-escalated. The officer is literally handing Cody a chance to suggest a solution. Instead of taking it, he resists. And in situations like this, refusal to cooperate often creates the outcome people are trying to avoid.
You can't drive a vehicle.
well, maybe I should let you drive, and then they have a reason to arrest you.
Good. There's a
What?
We're just trying to come to a conclusion where can you just be civil?
Yep.
Because this is your father, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Can you be civil and just sit in the car so he can take you somewhere else?
No, I'm.
They don't want you here, so you're going to be trespassed from here. You understand that? So you're not allowed to be here. So you need to leave.
It's like a restraining order, Cody. They don't want you on their property because you're.
This
very
whole
bad
situation is
influence.
just getting blown up for no reason.
Alright, guys, so here's the deal. They're gonna trespass you from this location, okay? That being said, alright? I'm gonna go do a ban notice. Not in trouble or anything like that, okay? But it can turn into you being in trouble, okay? If you don't leave. So I'm gonna go do this ban notice. It's gonna be official paperwork through the city, okay? You are just not allowed to be here. You're gonna be trespassed, okay? You need to leave off the property, alright? You do not have to be in a state where you can drive. I would suggest having Dad drive, okay? Because here's the deal. We're not gonna let you drive. And
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
So, that being said, you gotta leave, then you'll get cited for trespassing. So,
Well,
I'm gonna go
what do you
this-
want?
I'm gonna go do this paperwork.
What do you want to do?
Hey, Cody, you were just...
Don't touch me.
Cody, no one's touching you.
Don't touch me.
Cody. He's fine. He's fine.
I'm gonna.
Cody,
Can I reverse this back?
we can't. Dude.
Don't touch
No
me.
one's touching you. You were having a civil conversation. What happened?
What do you want? No, I'm not gonna, because I'm not gonna get a fucking DUI.
The
I'm
passenger
not
seat.
driving. I'm not. Yeah, you have the keys.
So he's
Sweet.
the passenger seat. He said the passenger
Good.
seat.
I'm
You-
not driving. No,
Come with
don't
me.
touch me. You're fucking driving. Okay,
Drivers, you-
reverse it then.
You come around the other side.
Cody, can you
Reverse
get
it.
can you get in the seat? You guys have to leave. No one's touching you. What are you talking about? Cody, what's going on, dude? You got to leave the property
Why do I have to leave?
because they're trespassing you.
You know who these people are?
It's obviously your guys' family.
Oh, and where were you gonna go to?
I don't know, wherever your dad's taking you. Back
Where are
home.
we going?
Going to Robertson, North Dakota, so I can take you home.
It's either that or you go to jail tonight.
Lindsay is actually serious?
No, I'm serious.
No, Lindsay.
Right
What?
now, yeah. You have a restraining order on this property because of the way that you have a direct number. I can get you if something happens while I'm on the road.
Just call 911. That way you can get in.
Are you kidding me?
Cody,
I'm not.
Cody,
This is
Cody,
serious.
come on.
This is serious.
Get in the passenger seat.
This is actually serious.
Now it becomes official. This is trespassing. Once you're told to leave private property and refuse, you're no longer just arguing. You're committing a chargeable offense. The officers are still trying to give him an out, but that window is closing fast.
Serious? Holy f***.
We're
I
not.
thought
This isn't a prank, dude. What are you talking about? We're not here just for the fun of it. Your family's concerned. They don't want you here because you're acting up. You're trying to do all this crazy shit. Go get in the passenger seat so your dad can drive you home. What's your passcode for your dad so he can does GPS? What's your password?
Don't touch my phone.
He just wants the
No,
GPS.
don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone.
Okay,
Don't touch it
turn
either.
it on. Turn it on so I can get the GPS to know how to go.
No, put the keys in.
Just don't touch anything.
We already went through this.
Put the keys in.
Put your seatbelt on.
Put
Put your
the
seat. I'm not telling you to put your seatbelt on.
Cody, you need to listen, dude. Put your seatbelt on. He's gonna drive you, but he
Put
needs
the
to know the
keys
map.
in.
Put your seatbelt on.
Turn it.
No, not till the seatbelt's on.
Start it.
If you don't follow what I tell you here, you're sure as heck ain't gonna be doing it when I'm going
Sure.
70 miles down the highway.
Start the truck.
So you got that paperwork done yet?
Put the keys in and start
Yeah.
the truck.
Put your seatbelt. As soon as this started,
Yep. And then
seatbelt goes on.
turn
I'm
it.
shutting it off.
Here we go.
Can you give your dad the GPS so he knows where he's going?
No.
Oh,
Cody, he needs the GPS.
No, we're not.
okay, how do I
Fine.
get, how do I get home then?
Here's your trespass notice. Okay, you're not allowed to be here.
Can you read that to me?
No. You need to leave the property.
Well, I can't read it.
No.
drive.
Okay, you got the key.
If you're prior military, dude, why are you acting like this? I'm prior military. You know you shouldn't be behaving like this. And he's your fucking dad, dude. So put the key back in there and give him the GPS. Stop acting like this. Start the GPS for your dad. Talking about being a service member, dude. Act like one. Just start the GPS. Cody, come on.
Cody, at this point, man, you are trespassing.
Back to bed.
If you refuse to get off this property, you will be cited for trespassing.
You can't be
If you
here.
leave after that, you will be taken
This
to
is a
jail.
restraining order. You cannot be here.
I gave you a. I handed you stuff.
Then why are you standing there instead of sitting?
Because of was.
So that's what I'll end up with. Okay,
You can stay here and I'll drive home.
Okay, let's do
Good.
that.
Get out.
Let's do that.
Get the fuck out.
And then you can lose your truck, lose your driver's license.
I won't lose my truck.
You won't even make it out of the driveway.
God, I love to deal with this fucking shit.
Tony,
Nuclear missile security?
you never know it now.
You gotta go back over there.
No, do
You're
not.
You're trespassing this property. You've already been
You
trespassed
cannot-
once.
You cannot.
No.
No, you cannot block me.
No one's blocking you. You're not allowed to
You
go over
cannot.
there. Come on.
You cannot block me. Do
No,
not
no, no,
touch
no, no,
me.
no, no.
You want a lawsuit, dude?
Relax.
Do you want a lawsuit?
Relax. You gotta
Let
stay
go
over
of me right now.
here. Stay over here. Come on.
Let go of me, dude.
Stay over there.
Dude.
Stay over there.
If you want a lawsuit,
Listen.
listen to
I'm
me.
telling you nicely.
Do not
Don't
touch
grab
me.
me. grab me.
Don't grab me. Okay.
Put your
I'm
hands behind your
not doing anything, dude.
back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, you want a lawsuit on you? Okay, I'm not doing anything at all. After a day after Christmas.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, which one? Oh.
Make sure you're nice and tight in there. All right, man, give us a minute.
Security forces, Air Force.
And here it is, the breaking point. The moment physical resistance begins, everything changes legally. What could have ended with simply leaving now turns into multiple charges. This is the exact escalation officers are trained to avoid, but also trained to respond to.
Literally. Sweet.
All right, we'll go this way.
There's a longer process.
Cody, you're going to get charged with two different things today,
Nope.
okay?
I'm not gonna get charged with anything.
No, that's
At
why
all.
you're at the jail.
Nope, nothing.
So you're getting charged with trespass,
Nothing.
okay?
Nope.
So you'll have a court date
Zero.
January 15th, 9 in the
Zero.
morning, in Law Justice Center here
Zero.
in Bloomington.
Zero.
You're also going to get charged
Zero.
with resisting or obstructing a police
Zero.
officer. That's the same
Zero.
court date, January 15th, 9 in
Zero.
the morning. Okay?
Zero. Zero. Cool. Zero. Hey. Dude, well, hey, this is not what we're gonna do. Hey, you're not doing that. You're not
Cody,
doing
chill, dude. We're going to pick up more charges.
that. So this is actually
This is
Real.
jail. Yes,
This is real life.
Regardless if you want to believe it or not, you need to put your hand up here. So you can take the other handcuff off of you and get processed. So you can get released. Now put your hand up.
dude, I already did this when I was in the military.
This is in the military.
Stop breaking my wrist. I'm not. Stop. I'm not. Okay. Release. No.
No, 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 no,
No. 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 Stop. No. Stop. No. No. I'm telling you.
You guys
This
want
is
it?
not. Dude. I'm telling you. Dude, I was just telling you to. What the?
Yeah.
I wasn't even. Dude, I'm not even doing anything. Hey, sit down. I'm not even doing anything. Dude, I'm not even doing anything.
Put him on his knees. Go to your knees.
Okay, I'm not even doing
Hey,
anything.
listen.
Are you listening to me? I told you I'm not even doing anything.
Don't tighten
Listen,
up.
I'm not even tensioning.
Just relax.
Don't touch my chain. Don't even touch my chain.
Dude, we gotta take it off.
I'm
Turn
not.
away from me.
What?
Turn away. Turn away. Turn away from me.
Okay. What?
Right
okay.
there.
What? I'm not even doing anything.
Yeah.